Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to dive into a tool that could seriously change how you work in SAP Ariba. We're talking about the Help Center, which is basically your secret weapon for getting answers and getting them fast. Look, we've all been there, right? You're deep into a project, maybe you're trying to tweak a setting, and you hit a wall. It's super frustrating, I know. But what if I told you the solution was literally just one click away? Yep, you heard me. SAP Ariba has created this awesome one-stop shop designed to get you unstuck and moving again no matter what you're trying to do. And today, we're going to explore it together. So instead of getting lost in endless Google searches or, waiting around for an email back, you should make the Help Center your first stop. Honestly, it's often the only stop you'll need. Let's take a closer look.
Okay, so what is the Help Center really? Well, it is so much more than just a simple FAQ page. Think of it as this massive, comprehensive hub for everything. I'm talking official product documentation, step-by-step tutorials, and even a direct line to customer support. It's all built to help you help yourself.
All right, so you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but how do I even find it? That's the perfect question, and the answer is actually really simple, though it does change a little depending on your role in the system.
And here's the really smart part. SAP Ariba actually tailors the Help Center experience for you. This makes sure that the info you're seeing is totally relevant to what you're doing, whether you're on the buyer side or the supplier side. It's not a one-size-fits-all deal.
And check this out, it's super straightforward. If you're a buyer, it's built right into the platform. Just look for that little question mark icon in the top right corner. For suppliers, it's even easier. Just go directly to a web address you can bookmark, support.ariba.com/help. Simple as that. Okay, for all you buyers out there, this is where things get really cool. The help you get is context sensitive. What does that mean? It means the system knows what page you're looking at and shows you help articles related to that specific task. It also adapts to your role, business user or admin, and even shifts the content if you're in an admin view on an integrated site. Pretty smart, huh? All right, so we know how to get in. Now let's pop the hood and see what's inside. The Help Center is just packed with these really powerful tools to get you exactly what you need.
Right off the bat, the thing you're going to use the most is that big, beautiful universal search bar. Seriously, this thing is your new best friend. Think of it as your own personal Ariba research assistant.
And when I say universal, I mean it. This isn't just searching some tiny FAQ section. It digs through everything. The official product docs, tutorials, super detailed knowledge base articles, support notes, the latest release updates, the whole shebang. One search taps into the entire Ariba universe of knowledge. But what if you're not looking for one specific answer? What if you just want to, learn? Well, if you prefer a more structured way of doing things, the documentation and learning section is going to be your jam. In here, you can just browse. You've got all the official product guides, you can see what's new in the latest software releases, watch video tutorials, and check out other resources that are all sorted into these nice, clean sections. It's perfect for when you want to really get into the weeds on a topic.
Okay, self-service is great, but let's be real. Sometimes you just need to talk to a human, right? For those really critical, time-sensitive problems, there's the Contact Us section. This is your direct path to getting help. And listen up, if you're ever running a live sourcing event, this part is an absolute game changer. There's a special link for Request Immediate Assistance. You just click that, fill out a quick form with the details about your event, and boom, you get prioritized, super urgent help when you need it most. So after that whirlwind tour, what's the big picture here? Well, the whole goal of the Help Center is to turn you into a self-service pro inside SAP Ariba. Okay, if you remember nothing else from this, remember these three things. 1. The help you get is personalized for your role. 2. That search bar is your key to the entire Ariba kingdom. And 3. For those high-stakes live events, dedicated help is just a click away. The point is, you're now in the driver's seat. With the Help Center, you don't have to wait around for someone else. You've got the map and all the tools you need to find your own solutions right when you need them. So I'll just leave you with this question. What are you going to explore first? The next time you have a question in SAP Ariba, you know exactly where to go.
Have you ever felt